Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Thank you, Ruben.
Yes, Madam Speaker.
You can have a word with him.
Time I fell sick. I was brought to Nairobi Coptic Hospital, where I stayed for 3 weeks, and I spent a lot of money. And I am now on injections. Right now, I've done 3 injections. I have a 41 to do, and I have so many drugs to take. Something my life is in danger. That's why I decided to come, because he has mistreated me many times. I forgive him, but this time around I said I must come on my own volition. Thank you, the senators, the honorable senators. Thank you.
Mr. Ruben,
Can you